Hi guys! This is Unboxing Tech, and in this video, we're checking out the iPhone 14 Pro cases from Casetify. Casetify graciously sent me all these cases and other accessories to check out for my iPhone 14 Pro Deep Purple. So we'll check the fit and style of each one. Let's get started! First off, this is the retro vending machine case. I have it in the impact frame with the sheer Perry purple color. This is a super cute case with a cool tactile print that is transparent in select areas for a unique look depending on the color of your device. Despite its cute appearance, this case feels super heavy duty, offering up to 8 feet of drop protection, which is 4 times the military standard. The back is made of a hard material and the grippy sides have a little bit of flex to them. Inside the case are these EcoShock cushions that are designed to distribute impact evenly throughout the case, rather than directly on the point of impact. Let's try it on! This design looks great with the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro. The color peeking through is also subtle and flattering to the overall design. The cover buttons are all easy to press and quickly responsive, and the bottom cutouts are perfectly matched to the device. You can see a lifted edge around the front of the screen for extra protection as well. There's also a lift around the back camera, but it is a bit more subtle than what I'm used to, just barely going over the camera lens. Also in the impact frame with the black color is the "Sorry, I need more space" design. I love this design so much. So simple and cute, and the MagSafe circle fits the astronaut space theme so well. MagSafe and wireless charging works great with this case, by the way. The magnetic attachment is super strong and reliable. The retro vending machine design is also MagSafe compatible, though it is cleverly hidden behind the print. Because of the MagSafe magnet and the inner cushions along the side, this isn't a slim case by any means. It also has a bit of weight to it compared to the other slimmer cases for the iPhone 14 Pro that I've tried. But sometimes people are willing to make the necessary sacrifices for more protection. This is the human design case with the Ultra Impact frame. The Ultra Impact frame is the ultimate protection case as it provides drop protection of up to 11.5 feet, which is 5 times the military standard. I'd also like to mention that all the cases in today's videos are made with 65% recycled and plant-based materials. The cushions in the corners are soft, but for people who have sensory sensitivities, I would maybe think about whether you could handle holding this rigid design in the palm of your hand every time you need to use the case. I personally don't think this style is for me. The buttons are super easy to press. The cutouts are made to fit. You can see the lift around the front screen here. And there is a lift around the back camera as well. Although all the Casetify cases in this video are MagSafe compatible, you can personalize the frame type, color, and MagSafe inclusion when you are checking out their website. It's so easy to make a case that's designed to fit your needs. Speaking of personalization, Casetify also lets you make custom text cases. I love this so much. Now, while the cases themselves offer great protection, you shouldn't skimp out on screen and camera protectors. Even if the sides are covered, an unlucky drop on a sharp rock in the street will completely bypass all that. Casetify's tempered glass screen protector has a 9H hardness and protects against blue light, which is said to be bad for your eyes. Installation is pretty standard and simple as far as screen protectors go, and everything you need is included in the package. For a more detailed installation video, you can check out the official link from Casetify in the description box below. This is a full cover edge-to-edge, -edge, 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 screen protector. It's perfectly fitted for Casetify cases without lifting or bubbling on the edges. In the top left and bottom right corners are Casetify brand logos etched into the glass. The glass is slightly tinted for blue light protection. We'll also finish up device protection by adding on a camera protector, also from Casetify. The camera lens cover is a full coverage clear glass protector that fits beautifully as well, covering the camera bezels and lenses. It doesn't add too much extra bulk to the overall phone, and it does fit perfectly with the Casetify case, but I noticed it was just very slightly taller than the raised edges of the case. It's not a huge deal, but it is something to be mindful of. Not that it really matters when Casetify offers surefire protection for your device. I did about 10 drop tests at around 4 feet trying to get a good shot, and the whole ordeal took about 10 years off my life. But as you can see here, my phone is unharmed, so it evens out, I guess. Maybe. In the end, there's no better protection than just not dropping your phone, period. Casetify sent me their phone strap and strap card to try out. Since there aren't any built-in lanyard holes in this case, you can use the strap card by just inserting it into the case before you put in your phone around the charging port, like so. Afterward, just attach the lanyard to the hook, put your phone into the case, and voila! It's so easy to wear and lets you carry your phone around with you hands-free without worry. You can find all the cases and accessories in today's video on Casetify's website and so many more designs. Use the link casetify.com/unboxingtech to save a bit at checkout. And that's all for today. Thanks for sticking around to the end. See y'all next time.